don't you do it?
I'm getting tired of doing the same intro.
What you want to say?
Ow!
Ow! Oh my goodness. You would think this was planned. Welcome back to Chic Blend. Today we decided to do something a little bit different. We always get questions about what's your favorite bag? What bag do you wear the most? What should we purchase first? What bag is the best bag for investment? We're not going to answer any of those questions, but we're not going to answer any of those questions. But today we are going to tell you what our most used bag is of its lifetime. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Our most used luxury handbag.
Ow, ow. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Okay, so you want to start or you want me to start?
So the bag that I wear the absolute most is my Speedy, baby.
Oh, yes, that's Speedy.
And I have the Speedy in the 25.
Yes, she has the Speedy B in the Damier Ben print in the 25. She typically likes smaller bags. So when did you get this bag?
2 years ago.
For your birthday,
for
right?
For my birthday.
Okay,
2 years ago for my birthday. And this bag is just like the ultimate bag. I feel like I can put everything that I need throughout the day inside of this purse. I don't have to worry about it being too small or just too big to where I just can't carry it ever. But this is like my most worn handbag and I love it. And I also have a strap to go with this also. So if I want to wear this crossbody, I can do that also. But this is my ride or die.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. How many other luxury bags do you own?
Oh my gosh, I have so many.
Like a estimate, how many do you have?
Maybe 15.
Okay, so out of 15 bags, this is her ride or die.
Ride or die, baby. Hey.
When do you find that you wear it the most?
Every day. Like the only time that I don't wear this is when I'm getting like really dressed up and it's like a girls' night out and I need something small like a clutch. But other than that, if I'm going shopping, going to the movies, dinner, this is the bag that I always go to no matter what. Like if I'm like, oh my God, I need a cute bag, this is what I pick up. And I'm like, oh my God, I just need to run to the store. This is what I pick up. So I would say this is definitely my most worn luxury handbag ever. Well, for the 2 years that I've had it. And before I actually got the 25, I was wearing the Speedy 30. So it's like the Speedy is what I go for.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. Okay, so now it is my turn.
What you got, girl?
Girl. This is what I have. Like this is really my ride or die.
Weird.
Yes. I want to say I've probably had this bag for about 10 years. And
Dang.
Girl, yeah, it's been that long. As you see on the inside, it is a single flap. This is the bag that I go for the most.
I love the straps.
Yeah, it's just super simple. This is the Chanel single flap.
What kind of print is, or what kind of material is this?
This is in patent leather and then it has silver hardware. The reason why this is kind of like my ride or die is just because initially when I first got this bag, this was the bag that I always wore out. Like if I was going to like a dinner, if I was going on a date, this was kind of just like the bag that I always wore. And now that it's older, I kind of just wear it everywhere. I wear this to the grocery store. I wear it, you know, with sweats, you know, on my way to the gym. And I just don't mind wearing this bag at all. It's my absolute favorite. And honestly, this is also the bag that, you know, it's kind of looking old now, as you see.
No, I feel like for 10 years, like the wear and tear is like amazing.
Yeah, the wear and tear is good. Like honestly, there is really nothing really wrong with this bag as opposed to the sides kind of like losing its shape. But I just felt like that was going to, you know, happen anyway, just because it is a single flap, so it doesn't have that extra flap for reinforcement. But I will say I think this bag I'm actually going to eventually repurchase because I love it just that much.
Would you get the same like material?
I would get the exact same. I would get this same patent leather again. Oh, you know what? This is the jumbo size though. I would actually get it in the medium size just because.
Why the medium?
Just because, like I said, initially when I got the bag, I would wear it out. Like, so even though I would wear it in the daytime, like I would wear it on like dates. I would wear it, you know, dressed up for the most part. It's just such a good bag, like a great wedding bag. It definitely does have that dressy vibe to it. So this is
Your
my ride or die.
Girl, I like that. I feel like I need to get it.
Yeah, you know what? They're so hard to find. Like, honestly, I thought about purchasing this in a mini, but I would not purchase this bag in a mini just because I feel like the mini would do the same thing that this is doing. I feel like in 10 years, because the material is just so soft, like, feel it. The material is just so soft. It's like so soft and smushy that it would kind of remind you of a lambskin bag, but with a sturdier material.
Okay.
So I would get this in the double flat medium size as opposed to a mini, but they are kind of hard to come across. So yeah, this is my ride or die.
And this is my ride or die.
This is our ride or die. So that is what I will say. Like, if you like I said, people ask us all of those other questions, but for me, if you did want to invest in a bag, I would always, like, Chanel is great, especially for a classic flap.
And I feel like the Speedy is great. The wear and tear is amazing. If you guys want to leave down below what is your everyday handbag, it doesn't even have to be luxury.
What's your ride or die?
Yeah, what's your ride or die? Hashtag ride or die down below.
That is our video. And if you like our content, definitely comment,
rate,
and subscribe. Do not forget to hit that little bell because it will notify you anytime we drop a video. And also follow us at chiqblend, okay?
on Instagram.
On Instagram. Okay, bye guys. See you next time.